more school and more hospital and more fund will be pumped in different scheme and project, where ultimately will benefit the people of the state, sir. And also, sir, I would like to take this opportunity to thank him, because it is undenying fact, because of his good work and of the MDA government, that almost 70% of the MLA who were in the MDA came back again in this August House, which is including me, sir. So I'd like to thank him, sir, and I fully confident that he will continue the good work in serving the people of the state, sir. But, sir, there are still many issues which need immediate attention from the government pertaining my constituency and Jaintia Hills as a whole, sir. Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, Jowai Town is expanding while the road remains the same, and congestion and traffic jam occur daily. Therefore, I would like to urge the government to sanction money for the proposed road project from Salarok to Jowai, which will be a bypass for Jowai Town, sir. Sir, it gives me great joy when the NCTE had approved the Integrated Teacher Education Program. So, sir, I will reiterate what my honorable colleague from Amrem has said, that I will request the government to start the academic course for B.Ed College within this year, sir. Sir, Jowai Town being the hub of education for Jaintia Hills and neighboring Assam, therefore I urge the government to increase the job-oriented courses at ITI and Jowai Polytechnic so that we can solve the unemployment issue in the future. We can start courses like diploma in automobile engineering, diploma in business administration, diploma in chemical engineering, diploma in civil engineering, and many more, sir. Sir, health is also a main concern for us, and the Jowai Civil Hospital is not able to cater to the need of the people, not only from West Jaintia Hills, but also from East Jaintia Hills, sir. Thus, I urge the government to upgrade the civil hospital of Jowai as a state hospital. And I will also like to inform this August House that a family from Yalong village has already donated a plot of land right to the next to the hospital. Therefore, it will be easy for the government to construct a new hospital building. And also, sir, I would like to request the government to consider of opening a cancer wing in Jowai Civil Hospital, sir, like they are planning in Tura, sir. Sir, education is very important issue, and every year the only government college in Jaintia Hills, that is the Kiang Nang Ba Government College, is packed with students. And as the year passes, there are hundreds of students who cannot be admitted. Therefore, sir, I request the government to increase the number of classes in the college, and if possible, to consider sanctioning one more government college in the region to ensure that the poor students are not denied from education, sir. Sir, I would like to inform that despite the inauguration and functioning of the Greater Jowai Water Supply Scheme, and considering the expansion of Jowai, it will need to start working on a new water supply scheme from Thwai Langdung, Mengkrem, because we need to foresee the need of the new household avail the benefit of the potable water. Sir, I would like to inform that the staff of the JHADC have not received their salary for almost 11 months. Now, therefore, sir, I request the government to release the share of council so that the JHADC will be able to perform its constitutional duties. Sir, not only Jowai constituency, but Jaintia Hills has a huge population of Niamtre or Niamkhasi religion. And in order to ensure that to reduce deforestation, we need to assist this Senrite to fund more eco-friendly crematorium, because it is pointless, sir, to plant sapling when there are more trees are being cut. So, sir, to take care of them, and I request the government to consider of having more crematorium which will help reduce deforestation. Sir, drug abuse is another major concern which ruining the families and the society. Therefore, I urge the government to set up a rehabilitation center and also to assist the privately managed centers, sir. Sir, the only district library, just few more points, sir. Sir, Jaintia Hills has been producing various sport persons in various fields. Therefore, I request the government to set up a sport academy with accommodation so that the youth and sport person can bring laurels to the state in the future and also upgrade the present Piang Nang Ba Stadium with synthetic track and galleries, sir. Sir, I'm so happy to know that the tech park is already built in Shillong and the government is planning to set up in Tura. But sir, I'll request the government to consider of constructing in Jowai as well, sir. Because sir, it is the sweetest thing for us from Jaintia, sir, to hear that it will be built in Shillong, Tura and Jowai. It feels so complete, sir, when we hear that, sir. So that's why, sir, I request the government to please considering of set up this tech park in Jowai as well, sir. Sir, due to the paucity of time, there are still many issues, but with these few submissions, sir, I'm confident that the government will listen to the aspiration of the people of Jaintia Hills, because the people of Jaintia Hills has reposed their faith to this MDA government by electing again all the 6 MLAs who were in the MDA, and now the number has increased from 6 to all the 7 seats, sir. So with this few submissions, sir, I resume my seat.
Thank you. May I request Martin Jaisangba to take the floor.